The urban gardeners delight fresh herbs at your fingertips. Imagine having a variety of herbs right at your disposal, ready to be picked and used in your culinary creations. Living in the city has its perks, but city living often means limited space. Many flats lack gardens. This makes it difficult to grow fresh produce. However, with a bit of creativity, even the smallest spaces can be transformed into lush green havens. However, there's a solution: vertical herb gardens. These innovative setups allow you to grow a variety of herbs in a compact space, making the most of your urban environment. Imagine stepping into your kitchen and snipping fresh basil for pasta. The aroma fills the air and the taste is unparalleled. Picture a balcony bursting with fragrant mint for your evening tea. The fresh scent invigorates your senses and adds a special touch to your drink. Vertical gardens make these dreams a reality, even in the smallest of spaces. They are not only functional, but also add a touch of greenery and beauty to your home. Fresh herbs elevate your cooking. They enhance flavor and bring vibrancy to your dishes. Imagine the difference fresh herbs can make in your everyday meals. Beyond the culinary benefits, growing your own herbs is incredibly rewarding. It offers a sense of accomplishment and a deeper connection to the food you eat. It connects you with nature, even in an urban environment. Embrace the joy of urban gardening and enjoy fresh herbs at your fingertips every day. Reaching new heights. Vertical gardening in small spaces. Vertical gardening is a technique that takes advantage of vertical space. Instead of planting in a traditional horizontal plot, you grow upwards. This is ideal for balconies, patios, and even small kitchens. Vertical gardens maximize limited areas. They transform unused walls into thriving herb gardens. Vertical herb gardens are easy to maintain. They require minimal watering and care. Their vertical design allows for excellent air circulation, reducing the risk of pests and diseases. Exploring your vertical options, systems, and planters. There are many vertical gardening systems available. You can find pre-built structures online or at your local garden center. These systems often feature tiered planters or pockets designed for individual plants. If you prefer a DIY approach, the options are endless. Repurpose wooden pallets into charming planters. Use hanging baskets at varying heights to create a cascading herb display. Get creative and let your personality shine through. Section 4. Creating your herb haven, a step-by-step guide. In this section, we'll walk you through the essential steps to set up your very own vertical herb garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, this guide will help you create a thriving herb haven right at home. Setting up your vertical herb garden is simple. First, choose your location. Look for a spot that gets plenty of sunlight throughout the day. Most herbs thrive in sunny spots, so a south-facing wall or a bright balcony is ideal. Make sure the location is easily accessible for regular watering and maintenance. Next, select your system or planters. There are various options available, from traditional pots to modern vertical garden systems. Ensure they are sturdy and provide adequate drainage. Proper drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogging and root rot, which can harm your herbs. Now, it's time to choose your herbs. Popular choices include basil, which is great for cooking, and mint, which adds a refreshing touch to drinks. Other excellent options are parsley, chives, and thyme. These herbs are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. These herbs are relatively low maintenance and perfect for beginners. They require minimal care and can thrive with just a bit of attention. Fill your planters with high-quality potting mix, specifically blended for herbs. This will provide the necessary nutrients for your plants to grow strong and healthy. Gently remove your herbs from their nursery pots and plant them in their new homes, watering them thoroughly. Regular watering is essential, especially during the initial stages of growth. Section 5. Reaping the rewards. Maintaining your vertical garden. Maintaining your vertical herb garden is a breeze. With just a few simple steps, you can ensure your garden remains healthy and productive. Water your herbs regularly, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. It's important to check the soil moisture daily, especially during hot weather. Most herbs prefer at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, so adjust your planter's position if needed. If you notice your herbs looking leggy, they might need more light. Regular harvesting is key to a thriving herb garden. By trimming your herbs frequently, you encourage new growth and prevent the plants from becoming too woody. Pinch back any flowers to encourage bushier growth and continuous leaf production. This helps the plant focus its energy on producing flavorful leaves rather than flowers. With proper care, your vertical herb garden will flourish, providing you with fresh, flavorful herbs year-round. Remember to rotate your plants occasionally to ensure even growth. Enjoy the fruits, or rather herbs, of your labor. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown herbs in your cooking.